McLaren F1, a dream of Formula One designer Gordon Murray, a car mostly made of carbon fiber before the age when every object was made out of carbon fiber or made to look like it was, an engine bay lined with actual gold leaf, a 6.1-liter V12 with 627 horsepower and a center-place driver's seat like no other. It all started in 1992. But this latest car, McLaren Artura. It is now 30 years since the launch of the seminal McLaren F1 and over a decade since it set up shop as a car brand in its own right with the McLaren MP4-12C. It had numerous successful car releases since then, such as the P1, Senna, F1 GT, P1 GTR. Between its British-built carbon fiber monocoque, its Ethernet electrical architecture, its superformed aluminium bodywork and its V6 plug-in hybrid power plant, the McLaren Artura is the most technically daring project that McLaren has undertaken since the McLaren P1 hypercar, and quite possibly ever. This car is McLaren's first with a new generation Ethernet-based electrical architecture. Controlled by 4 main processors and connecting every part of the Artura via the same central data gateway, it reduces the weight of the cabling in the car by 25%, speeds up data transmission and allows for the over-the-air software updates of almost any electronically governed system. The Artura's primary source of power is McLaren's new M630 wide-angle, twin-turbocharged V6 engine, which is 50 kg lighter than its existing V8, has a particularly stiff crankshaft design so it can rev up to 8,500 RPMs, and is both short and flat enough to package really efficiently in the engine bay. This makes room for the Artura's hybrid system and fuel tank, while also allowing the car to be less than an inch longer overall than the one it replaces, slightly narrower across the body and even shorter in the wheelbase. The hybrid system adds just 130 kg in total. It consists of a 5-module lithium-ion battery with 7.4 kWh of usable capacity and a compact and energy-dense axial flux-style electric motor mounted immediately downstream of the piston engine, which can add up to 94 horsepower to the driveline, alongside the V6's 577 horsepower for a total of 671 horsepower. Such power is a big jump over what the McLaren 570S and 600LT made, and well in advance of cars like the Lamborghini Huracan, Audi R8, and Honda NSX. The Artura's lightest running order weight, as claimed by McLaren, is 1,498 kg. Even with all of the car's electrification tech, it still weighs only 46 kg more than the 570S, a really impressive achievement. The car's narrowness, by supercar standards, and its excellent forward visibility play their own parts in making it easy to place into guide, but the steering is the star attraction. Every rise of camber, every change in grip level and every little impact on either front wheel is felt, but none is admitted to your fingertips so unfiltered that it threatens to divert the car or to make you tighten your grips on a beautifully trained and simple 3-spoke steering wheel. The McLaren Artura steering, as with many of its predecessors, has the perfect marriage of weight, pace, feel and animation over a typical road so as to feel utterly intuitive, superbly tactile and totally absorbing. McLaren's pricing for the Artura positions it in a familiar place between top-end super sports cars like the Porsche 911 Turbo S, Aston Martin Vantage, Mercedes-AMG GT, and outgoing Audi R8, but slightly below the Maserati MC20 and most versions of the Lamborghini Huracan, and well below the Ferrari 296 GTB plug-in hybrid.